Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Diamond Painting and Stitching with Laura, and today we have an unboxing, and you can see from where. This is from Diamond Art Club. I ordered this last weekend sometime, I think, and it usually takes it a while to get here because we have crappy post office service. Well, if I can get it open. And I did get it when they had this special, so that this wasn't a buy one get one, but I got the painting, and if I can get it out of there. Whoops, there's my invoice. I never had a box like this. This is weird. Come on. Well, how freaking strange is that? It won't come out. It's stuck at the bottom. Oh my goodness. Come on. I'm not caring for these kind of boxes. I like the ones that open from the top, but I'll show you as soon as I unpeel it from, it's stuck sideways. There we go. Okay, so they had a special. If you spent so much money, then you got one of these. So I got another one of these to put my beads and stuff in. I don't know if I'll use it for drills or not, but there are 30 of the little bitty containers. It's all wrapped up. I'm just going to leave it that way until I use it. But this is the best part. It came in a pink box, and it's yummy. It's yummy. I can hardly wait. I've been waiting for this one for a while. They evidently ran out, back before the April onslaught, so it was on, they were on back order. So, and it is Nola. Yeah, the big Nola. You'll remember I did get the small Nola. I should have gotten the big Nola, but Laura pushed the wrong button, so now we have a small and a big one. This one is 52 by 88 centimeters, and it's heavy. But I wanted this badly. There's the precious part. Oh God. And the normal toolkit. Blue squishy, two wax, and the little thingy, and a few baggies. Still got baggies. There are all the lovely, luscious diamonds. Aren't they cool? They are so cool. It says it was packaged 3/27/19. So you know I had to wait for it. Let me put this down here. Gotta save my box. Let's get to the good part. The yumminess. Oh God. I can't figure out how to open it. Oh yeah, it's down here. I'm sorry. I was so excited. I want to see this in big, because the small just wasn't getting it for me. Gotta save my little thing so I can put it there. I'm going to have to roll it backwards. And it doesn't have the strip thing, but that's okay. Because Diamond Art Club always has the key at the top and at the bottom right. Top left, bottom right. Jeez, I could just say it. So, jeepers creepers. This is so pretty. It has lots of gorgeous colors in it. Okay, I think I got it now, guys. Ta-da! Nola. Yummy! Yummy, 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 yummy. Look at her big flower. Isn't she pretty? She's so gorgeous. And this says, I think it says New Orleans. Nola right here, which stands for New Orleans, Louisiana. Yeah. And I've always liked Mardi Gras. My parents lived in New Orleans for a short time, but I never got to live there. But I'd always wanted to see it, and I always liked Mardi Gras and all the beautiful colors for Mardi Gras. But yeah, oh, it's so soft, and it's so big. Oh God. Hang in there, Nola. We might get to you yet. This has 53 colors. And it is a square, and I don't think that it has any ABs in it. This was before the ABs in Square came out. But it has lots of gorgeous, gorgeous colors. They're all, whoops. We had it in Escapee. Ooh, we can't lose that color. Nope, nope, nope. Nice green color. I'm going to put you over here. All right, there. Isn't that beautiful? Just gorgeous colors. I can hardly wait to work on this because of the different colors. And reds and purples. Look at all the purples. Just yumminess. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 big bags. 7 times 5 is 35, right? Jeez. I haven't had to do math in a while, can you tell? And some 400s. Yeah, it's yummy. I just love it. Oh, maybe. I don't know. No, they're just sparkly. They're just sparkly. But just lots of gorgeous, gorgeous colors. A lot of 699 in that. And 435s. Those are all the big bags. And then we have the little bags. Aren't they just beautiful? Just beautiful. But I love this purple. Oh, we're about to lose 2 more. Laura's just too excited. Whoops. Ooh, yay. Purple. Beautiful colors. Lots and lots and lots of colors. God, it's going to take 2 whole things to kit this up. God, I can hardly wait to do it. Oh my God. Oh my God. No, I keep saying I've got Dream and I've got Mama Knows. Yeah, it's special. Laura has too much on her plate. I know. And we still have to finish the damn princesses. They might get done. But this might come first. I don't know. Before I ever finish the princesses. But I don't know. I just love all these colors. They're just absolutely stunning. Stunning, 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 as always. And it is a square, so... And I'm getting used to the squares. But I've got to finish the others first. I like them, too. I love them all. I'll have them plastered to the ceiling before this is all said and done, guys. But I will wrap her up and put her back in her box. I still have Jessica to do. So we won't be buying any Diamond Art Club for a little bit. But this one is special. Because I've wanted this since, God, since I first went to, what do you call it? Diamond Art Club. For the very first time. And I finally got it. And then when I ordered it the first time, I thought I had it and I got the small. But that was my fault. Totally my fault. Got to get all these silly drills back in here. Sorry for the crinkling, guys, but it is what it is. What it is. Oh yeah, let's rip the bag. That'll be special. There we go. They're there. But yeah, I just love this. I just think it's so pretty. And all the different colors. Thank you, Mandy Manzano. Thank you, Diamond Art Club. Just beautiful. Just stunningly beautiful. Yeah. Well, guys, that's the only thing I've got to unbox today. Thank you for joining me. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you know when the next video is going to be coming out. And y'all have a great day and a great weekend. Bye-bye. God bless.